Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to upgrade Roblox or how to fix Roblox upgrade problem on Android phone. So here follow these steps. You can see that when I have launched the Roblox app, it is showing upgrade option over here. So what you have to do over here, you have to click on upgrade option over here. It will open the Google Play Store. And if you see over here any update option, then please update your Roblox. If not, then simply click on play button and then go back. Now you can see that there is no upgrade problem showing on Roblox app. So now you can play any game from here. See, I can play a game without any issue. It is loading. And I can play the game without any issue. Let me go back. If it doesn't work, open Play Store, tap on search for Roblox and open it. Now from here you can click on play button and see, you can see that I am not getting any upgrade issue over here or any upgrade problem over here. But if you want to upgrade your Roblox, or if you are still encountering the upgrade problem issue in Roblox, then here follow this step to fix the issue. Open settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management. Here search for Play Store and tap on Google Play Store. Tap on storage usage, then click on clear cache and confirm it. Then go back. Now here search for Google Play Services. Tap on it. Tap on storage usage. Here click on clear cache and confirm it. Now you have to restart your device once. So simply restart your device. And after your device restarts, open Play Store. Tap on search for Roblox, tap on it, and if you see any update option over here, then simply update your Roblox and then you can launch Roblox and see upgrade problem is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.